I called the guy and I said, is this the part? He said, yeah. I said, what could happen? He said, it could trip a fuse or it could catch fire.
Welcome back, Average Guy DIY family. As you know, we are doing a microwave repair. I was a little nervous taking on this project just because I don't do a whole lot of electrical fixes, but it actually turned out pretty good. Below is the part number for this type of general electric product, just in case you have the exact same microwave with the exact same problem. This, unfortunately, is not a fix for all microwaves. Even if you have this exact same product and part number, your fix may be different because these are very complex machines. So the first step is removing the vent cover. There's 3 screws that you need to take off this vent cover, and they require a Phillips head. Next, there's another little screw here that needs to be removed. After that's completed, you're going to lift off the front-facing piece by sliding it upward. Carefully remove every single wire that's connected. Every connection is a pinch clip, so you basically just pinch the end of it and it opens it up to release. Make sure to take a good look at this main connecting board here, and what you're looking for is any dark or burnt spots where connections could have worn out. Next, we're going to take our trusty voltmeter and we're going to switch it to the conductivity setting. This selection will be listed with some type of sound wave icon. So any connections that are still intact will make a sound like this. Now it's time to get to work checking fuses, and I checked every single fuse that I possibly could reach, even ones that are not shown in this video. What I just took apart is the fuses for the door as it opens and it closes. And I'm going to show you how to remove this to check it. You must first remove the 2 main screws that are holding it in place. Then you must remove a couple other screws surrounding that area. And the reason why you're doing this is because we have to bend the metal slightly out the way to get this sensor out. You'll then slide the sensor upward so that the 2 hooks release. Then slightly bend the metal framing out the way to pull the sensor out of place. All 3 of these sensors have a button. You have to press this button down while checking to see if the fuse is good. The door. See? So this one is always open. And when so all the fuses here, and here are good. Now this last one did not make a sound, so I know right away that the fuse in this one is blown. Here we have the exact replacement part. Make sure to read the back of the part and call General Electric to get the exact part for your microwave. Once you replace this part, you just want to put everything back together before you try it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, as I said before, this is not a universal fix. Even if you have the exact same microwave, it could be a different problem. But at least this gives you a clear idea of how to start troubleshooting the electrical of your microwave if you're trying to fix it yourself and save on money. So like I said, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to click on that bell and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. Take care and enjoy your day.